Hi colleagues, my name is Yinuo from University Teknologi Mala. Today I will share insights on the topic of educational strategies for cultural creative product design with intangible cultural heritage. This research not only explores how to better inherit and innovative intangible cultural heritage in design education, but also propose specific education strategies and practical plans to promote modernization of intangible cultural heritage. The contents of this presentation is as follows: Introduction, current stage and challenge in intangible cultural heritage education, educational strategies and methods, practical paths and effectiveness evaluation, conclusion. Intangible cultural heritage is an important part of traditional culture of the Chinese nation, carrying profound history and unique cultural charm. However, in the context of modernization and globalization, intangible cultural heritage faces the dual challenge of preservation and innovation. If we focus solely on preservation, intangible culture may become disconnected from modern life. Excessive commercialization may lead to the loss of the cultural essence. Therefore, we need to inject new vitality into intangible cultural heritage through creative transformation and innovative development, especially in cultural creative design, by combining traditional craftsmanship with modern concepts, which not only enhance market value but also precedes its core culture. Higher education in design plays a crucial role in intangible cultural heritage by constructing a systematic intangible cultural heritage strategy. Universities can balance cultural heritage with innovative practice. On one hand, curriculum design should categorize student innovative abilities, enabling them to engage tangible cultural heritage elements into modern design. On the other hand, it should enhance students' cultural identity and social responsibility, making them realize the value of intangible cultural heritage and the necessity of its transmission. Through this research, we aim to provide the theoretical and practice reference for the modern dissemination of intangible cultural heritage and promote greater involvement of regions and universities in its production and innovative. Currently, there are various forms of intangible cultural heritage we call ICH education in university, including special lectures, practical workshops, and project-based teaching. Special lectures delivered by experts enhance students' understanding of ICH culture and techniques. Practical workshops allow students to experience traditional crafts such as paper cutting and pottery, immersing them in the charm of ICH. Project-based teaching integrates ICH into design projects, stimulating student innovative thinking and creativity. These approaches not only enrich the teach content but also strengthen student design ability and cultural identity, laying a foundation for the dissemination and innovative of ICH. However, there are several issues with current ICH education. First, the course content is fragmented and lack a systematic approach, make it difficult to form a coherent learning experience. Second, teaching often stay at basic explanation level, lacking innovation and depth, failing to fully reflect the core values of ICH culture. Lastly, there is insufficient research into the cultural connotations and design aesthetic of ICH, making it difficult to present the issue. These issues indicate the urgent need to optimize ICH education and establish a more systematic and innovative teaching model to better achieve the creative transformation and innovate development of ICH. ICH cultural creative education face multi-challenge. First, regional limitation make it difficult to assess and promote certain ICH techniques, especially in university education, where students have limited exposure to ICH sources. Second, there is an imbalance between culture and market. Some cultural creative projects focus too much to the economy benefits, um, neglecting the in-depth explanation of ICH cultural, which results in works lacking cultural substance. Finally, there is insufficient integrate of technology. The application of modern digital techniques in ICH education is limited, which enrich the dissemination and innovative of ICH. Addressing these challenges require improvements in educational resources, the balance between culture and economy, and the technological innovation. Innovative directions for ICH education include project-based teaching, experiential learning with situational simulations, and interdisciplinary teaching. Project-based teaching driven by tasks fosters students' innovative skills throughout the process, from cultural research to product design. For example, in a paper cutting course, students combine cultural research with practical creation to gain a deeper understanding of ICH cultural. Experiential learning combined with like VR or AR techniques provide immersive learning experience. In a quantity costume design course, students can simulate designs in a virtual environment, enhance the learning effect. Interdisciplinary teaching integrates design, marketing, and information techniques, promote the development of ICH education through cross-disciplinary collaboration. For example, in a poetry course, students enhance the market, completion, and technical expressive of their works through market analysis and 3D modeling. These methods provide new paths for the innovative enhancements of ICH. The planning of practical paths and strategies is key to the effective implementation of ICH education. First, we need to integrate multi resources and design a systematic curriculum that include both theoretical learning and practical application, ensuring that the students can innovate and apply SCH culture in their actual design while marketing its cultural background. Second, teaching should create a diverse innovation environment, combining on-campus libraries of campus-based and virtual platform to provide students with various practical scenarios and experiential opportunities. On-campus libraries allow for in-depth learning of manual techniques. Off-campus basis enable students to engage with real ICH inherited environments, while virtual platforms offer more flexible and expansive learning spaces. Additionally, promoting interdisciplinary collaboration is crucial. Only through collaboration among design, techniques, making, and other disciplines can we better achieve cultural transformation and innovative application of ICH. Through cultural transformation in real-world contexts, student practical abilities can be enhanced and ICH culture can be better integrated into modern social. The practice of ICH education effectiveness evaluation is a key element in measuring the teaching outcomes. The first, from student level, we focus on the student design innovation abilities and the depth of their cultural awareness. we assist their understanding of ICH cultural in the courses and their innovation and practical application abilities demonstrated during the creative process. Second, at the course level, the evaluate focus on the achievement of learning objectivity and student certification. Examine whether the course effectively helps students reach their learning goals and consider student feedback and evaluations on the course content and teaching methods. Finally, from a social perspective, we assess the social impact of ICH education through market feedback on student work and effectiveness of cultural dissemination. Particularly the acceptance of student work in the market and their influence on the spread of traditional culture. This evaluation system, presented through data chart, can clearly show the effectiveness on different levels and provide a basic for adjusting and optimizing the education model. The strengths for ICH cultural creative education not only in influencing design and education but also play a crucial role in creative influence. By integrating traditional ICH elements with modern design, we not only preserve the essence of cultural but also cultivate students' innovative thinking and practical abilities, promoting the modernization and global dissemination of traditional craftsmanship. In the future, ICH education will strengthen its integration with techniques, applying digital techniques and video reality to promote the creative transformation and innovative development. At the same time, educational contents need to align with social needs to address the adaptability of traditional culture in modern life. The collaboration between the educational institutions, government, and business will ensure the inheritance and innovation of ICH, driving its global dissemination and value creation, and giving new life to ICH culture. Thank you all for attention and practice. ICH cultural creative education is not only a responsibility for cultural inheritance, but also an opportunity for innovative development. Let's work together to integrate the essence of ICH culture of modern design and join to promote the inheritance and innovation of this precious heritage, allowing it to sharing even brighten in the new era. Thank you so much.